Most people wake up tired. Their joints feel stiff. Their back feels fragile. They run out of breath doing things that used to be easy. So they assume something is wrong. They assume age is catching up. They assume damage has been done. They assume the body is failing. But the body is not failing. The body is responding. Your body is an adaptive system. It always has been. When you use it, it adapts upward. When you don't use it, it adapts downward. That's not punishment. That's physics. My name is Moses, and I want to help people like you take care of the body you've been given, so you can live well, move well, and finish strong. Let me say something up front that many people need to hear. You are not broken, you are not defective, and in most cases, you're not even injured. You are deconditioned. That word may sound clinical, but it's actually hopeful. Deconditioning simply means this. Your body has adjusted itself to less demand, less walking, less lifting, less reaching, less breathing deeply, less balance, less load. So the body gets efficient at doing less. Muscles lose strength because they're expensive to maintain. Joints lose range because unused range gets pruned away. Heart and lungs downshift because they aren't asked to work. Nothing is wrong. Nothing is broken. The system has just adapted to the environment you gave it. Here's where people get stuck. They feel discomfort when they try to move again. Their knees complain, their back feels tight. Their heart rate spikes faster than they expect, and they think, "See? I knew it. I'm damaged." But discomfort during reconditioning is not proof of damage. It's feedback. Imagine not using a language for 10 years, then trying to speak it fluently on day one. The struggle wouldn't mean your brain is broken. It would mean you're simply out of practice. Bodies work the same way. If you believe you're broken, you'll move cautiously. If you move cautiously, you'll move less. If you move less, you'll become more fragile. That's the downward spiral. But if you understand that you're deconditioned, something changes. Now movement becomes medicine instead of a threat. Now effort becomes restoration instead of risk. Now patience replaces fear. Reconditioning doesn't require punishment. It requires consistency. You don't need heroic workouts. You don't need intensity that leaves you wrecked. You don't need to feel the burn to earn progress. You need regular, repeatable exposure to movement, walking, carrying, getting up and down, breathing harder than normal on purpose. Small investments compounded over time. The body loves this. It recognizes the pattern and responds. If you're tired all the time, if movement feels harder than it should, if you've started to believe decline is inevitable, pause. You may not be broken. You may simply be out of shape for life, and that's fixable. We're not chasing youth. We're rebuilding capacity, strength for daily life, endurance for real work, mobility for freedom, one small, faithful step at a time.